Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make cabbage stew. So I started out with frozen bacon, so I'm really not trying to fry the bacon, I'm just trying to separate it. For those of you that are vegetarian, you can skip the bacon step and just add vegetable broth. So here you can add 1 can of chicken broth, any brand, or possibly 3 bouillons. You can also add vegetable broth here. I've added the can of chicken bouillon. As you can see, there's still a little bit of grease in there. You can drain all the grease. You're still going to have some grease in there for your bacon, and that gives it flavor. And more cabbage. I added about a half a head. For this next step, you're going to add diced tomatoes, or you can add some with flavor. In the meantime, we've been cooking this on low the whole time. Stir just a little, leaving the bacon on the bottom so it can continue to cook. We're going to take just regular water and cover the cabbage. So since I started this video, the kids found out what I was making and asked me to speed it up. So I've turned my heat up to high, I've taken my lid off. So at this point the leaves are kind of almost see-through. That's when they're tender. Girl chooses in our waffle to go along with their soup, and you just want to cook it till the cabbage starts to get a little clear.